Did you know your next camping trip could be completely silent, off-grid, and still fully powered? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the top 5 solar power stations perfect for outdoor adventures. All links are in the description. Grab yours before they run out. Let's power your freedom. The number 5 product on our list is EF ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 3 Power Station. What if I told you there's a power station that could run your entire campsite and still whisper quietly while doing it? The EF ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 3 is not just big in capacity, it's built to replace noisy generators and complex setups. With up to 4,000 watt output, expandable 4,096 OU battery, and support for dual volt use, it delivers a seamless outdoor power experience. Unlike bulky fuel-based options, this unit charges through solar, EV ports, or AC, and sets up in seconds with zero learning curve. For those considering power solutions in the top 5 solar power station for camping lists, this one stands out for sheer reliability, clean operation, and real-world versatility. Downsides? It's heavier than some rivals, but it makes up for it with unmatched scalability and silence. For anyone serious about long-haul outdoor comfort, this feels like a future-proof investment, not just another gadget. Number 4 is Jackery 3000 Pro Power Station. Imagine powering your entire campsite, including an electric grill, a mini fridge, and all your devices, without a single drop of fuel. The Jackery 3000 Pro turns that dream into reality. With a massive 3,024 watt capacity and a reliable 3,000 watt output, this beast tackles high-demand gear effortlessly. What sets it apart in the top 5 solar power station for camping list is its fast charging speed, especially with Jackery's solar panels that keep it alive even in cloudy weather. It's built smart, too, with a rugged pull handle, whisper-quiet operation, and app controls that make managing your power needs feel like second nature. Yes, it's heavy, but the mobility features more than compensate. If you're heading into the wild and want peace of mind with zero compromises, this unit has earned its spot, not just on paper, but where it matters most, in real-world comfort. The third one on our list is EF ECOFLOW DELTA Pro Power Station. If you think camping power stations are only for lights and phones, the EF ECOFLOW DELTA Pro will change your mind. With a mind-blowing 3,600 watt output and 3,600 watt output, it powers serious equipment, from induction cooktops to portable AC units. Effortlessly, what earns it a standout place in the top 5 solar power station for camping is how it balances industrial-level power with portability and real-world usability. It charges insanely fast, under 2 hours from a wall outlet, or just 3.5 hours with 3 solar panels. And unlike bulky alternatives, this one's smarter, with app control that puts all power settings in your pocket. Yes, it's heavy, but the performance-to-weight ratio is unmatched. For those chasing off-grid independence without compromise, this powerhouse delivers peace of mind and performance that's truly tested for outdoor living. It's not for everyone, only for those who demand more than average. On number 2 is ECOFLOW Delta 3 Plus Power Station. What if your next camping trip felt like home? Powered, peaceful, and perfectly prepared? That's the confidence the ECOFLOW Delta 3 Plus brings. Sitting among the top 5 solar power station for camping, this unit blends rugged outdoor reliability with smart indoor readiness. From near-instant 1,500 watt AC charging to ultra-efficient solar input, it powers up fast, reaching 80% in just 40 minutes. With a flexible capacity expandable to 5Q, it's not just a power bank, it's your personal grid. The leafy PO4 battery delivers 10 years of reliable use, wrapped in a shell that's resistant to dust, splashes, and oil. Pair it with the EcoFlow app and energy control becomes effortless, even remotely. Downsides, it's an investment, and the expansion ecosystem adds cost, but the payoff is total energy freedom. For anyone tired of unreliable campsite power, this is a smart, forward-thinking solution that's built for the long haul. Now, moving to the last one is Anker SOLIX C1000 Power Station. What if your entire camping setup could be powered in less than an hour, without noise, fumes, or stress? The Anker SOLIX C1000 makes that bold promise and actually delivers. Among the top 5 solar power station for camping, this one stands out with its blazing fast recharge time, 80% in just 43 minutes, Imagine pulling into camp and being fully powered before you pitch your tent. With up to 2400 watt output, it handles everything from blenders to heaters effortlessly. It's 15% smaller than most 1 kilowatt unit units, yet packs a decade of battery life thanks to 3000 cycle Leaf A4 cells. The app control adds a modern smart touch, letting you tweak every setting from your phone. Downsides? It doesn't include solar panels by default. But for campers craving fast power, reliability, and silent comfort, it's a clear favorite for clean, mobile energy off the grid. Winner among them, EF EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 stands out with unmatched capacity, fast charging, and rugged reliability. Your ultimate camping powerhouse. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar power station for camping. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.